Worried about high CNC coolant costs? Wondering how to extend life of coolant? If you do not change the coolant, will it reduce cutting tool life? Is it a headache? To filter coolant impurities. Maintain separation of oil and coolant. Extend life of coolant. Easymech CNC Coolant Filtration System. By Mechmatrix. How does Easymech 1B function? Filtration of coolant. Floating oil skimming. Ozone disinfection. Benefits of Easymech 1B Coolant Filtration System. Removes bad odors. Removes oil floating on the coolant